back over here. The Lotus Pod. Huh? Get a picture. You got a camera? My Maserati. I don't know. Let's go find her. Where? Okay. Tent car. Tent car. It comes with a tent. Somebody's talking. Oh, it's a cardboard person. Let's go talk to the cardboard person. Hey, cardboard person, how do you feel about the trees getting cut down? Oh, yeah? What's your name, cardboard person? Oh, she's not double-sided. She only sees things from one point of view. Oh, wow. This is so cool. How do you drive this? How do you drive this?
You don't, dummy.
Oh, but you could. Now, see, this has got the V6 engine with plastic parts. See, Elijah, this part right here is squishy. That's to ensure proper flow of the flowness.
I like squishy things.
And see, it takes Say oil. It says Say Owl 20. See, look, Say Owl 20. That's what kind of oil it gets. Get out of there. She's right there. Ooh, Scion. Oh, that's not a Scion. Yeah, well, Toyota makes Scion.
That's not bad on the gas. 32.
Someone's got gas. What does that look for? Dangle, dangle.
Tired.
Dangle, dangle.
Kept me up till like 3 in the morning.
Well, excuse.
You're rambling in the.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, that's a door.
Oh, not too bad. What'd you do?
Can you see out the back window?
Oh, it's a pump-up seat.
What? What are you doing with the seat? You can't drive like that.
He's getting it pumped up. Is that a Prius? That is a Prius. Hey. I'm gay.
Cut those lights off.
I'm
Yeah.
gay. You know, from that the Jeff Dunham thing, he's always talking about driving a Prius. Oh, the Camry. Woo. That's a good look for you. These are actually pretty neat cars, though. See, look at that big old computer screen they got.
This is the car Jeff Dunham has. Except it's not red, it's sparkly blue.
It is a Toyota. You see the big computer screen?
This is weird.
You see the big,
Is that Tim?
right there. It's all digital. That's the radio. It probably your climate control. That's your transmission. Here, you want to see something weird?
Wow.
This thing has 2 motors.
It does?
Yeah. See, it's got your regular gasoline motor, and then it's also got this huge battery right here which powers another motor.
Oh, good. Elijah.
Yes.
But you have to wait for this.
What's he doing? It's actually pretty big for a hybrid, 1.8 liter. I am. YouTube.
Stop.
Woo.
We got the race car.
My
Stop.
ear can hear things. Where you going, Trevor? Where you going, Trevor? What you doing, Trevor?
Are you allowed to get in?
What you looking at? You can't get in there. You have to climb in it.
I know. This is not even the side to get in.
This is my favorite car only because it has a monster.
It's got one little. It's got one little sticker on it.
They're, you have to climb in it. You're the one strapped.
Look, it's even got a fire extinguisher in it.
There are windows. You have to climb through the window.
Yep.
Oh, God.
That's the only way to get out. That's a weird one.
Whoa! Whoa! What's in the nose?
Sorry.
What's in your nose?
I was looking.
Come on, Elijah. Yeah. Ford Escape.
It's only a 1 liter.
Yeah, mine's a Eagle Boost. Always wanted a white car, so I gave up with the white one. I got white.
Greg always sending me away. I'm short. Go away. I'm so tired.
Oh, sugar plums. Oh. Mmm. Mmm.
You not?
Mmm.
You not?
I could.
Okay.
Where's Elijah?
He's in the car.
Come on. Still got the other half of the building to look at.
Was that even because you were spamming?
Yes, he's strong.
Is that really surround the boys,
I
Brian?
wasn't around them.
Well, I was home.
He was already asleep.
That's still not the point. What if you had an accident, an emergency, and you had to get out and drive?
No, I would have called 911.
She could have drove.
Yeah, we finally finished the series, and oh my gosh, it is a beautiful series.
Don't say.
I'm
We're
not
not.
Honda Fonda. Whoa.
Do not stop.
Wait, do it again, do it again. Yeah. With all of his hair. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, look, babe.
What?
Phone's down. There you go.
Oh, charging. What's this button do?
Oh.
You can charge your
It is
phone.
Wi-Fi. Let's see if it works.
I'm sure it works.
I think right there.
May not be right.
It
He
is. It's
doesn't look
right
at cars. He's looking at that.
there. It works.
Well, I came to charge my phone. Look at the dude's balloon hat. That's pretty cool.
Hey, where'd you get the balloon hat?
He's in a secret club,
Oh.
the Secret Balloon Hat Society.
Why don't I do
I don't
You
know.
have to pay for it.
We lost her again. No, she's right there. Yeah. Put a leash on her.
Plus.
Right.
What?
Brand new.
Yeah.